Hi, I'm Bree the Plant Lady.
And I'm Aiden. And I'm Abby. We love gardening.
We're doing a Foodscape neighborhood crash. We started this morning working with Jim Putnam of HortTube, and now we've moved next door. We're at our great neighbor Peggy's yard, and as we were doing a garden tour yesterday, we saw an ideal spot that needed to be extended so that she could grow some shade plants, and then also work it over to around her air conditioning unit. We're going to be able to add some evergreen shrubs to be able to hide that utility, and then incorporate food crops right here in the foundation landscape. The Mattock is the greatest tool that's ever been created. Here is Aiden, just sort of walking the line, getting the sod ripped out. We'll be able to start dumping in soil cube, and then we'll be able to get started planting. Cleared this space. Aiden and Abby are reusing the turf that we've dug out to fill in an open spot, and we'll be ready to start dumping soil cube. The real thing I want to show here is how often people make their foundation landscapes too small. You know, this is like, what, 15 inches? And Peggy was explaining that, you know, it kept raining and the rain washes right down and sort of would destroy the bed. When I came over yesterday, I said, oh, well, yeah, we've got to make your foundation landscape way bigger, because any shrubs that you plant in here are going to grow. And, you know, the point is to plant things so that you don't have to constantly prune. So Peggy has a beautiful gardenia that needs to get planted, but it's not going to fit in 15 inches right up against the foundation landscape. That needs to be planted at least 2 foot away from the house, because it's going to grow at least 2 foot each direction. So now we're going to be able to plant it in the middle of this bed, and we're going to also add a camellia to the corner and then 3 encore azaleas along this side. And it's just going to be a beautiful place with these great ornamental shrubs. And then what we'll do is seed in some food crops so that this becomes an official foodscape. Great progress this last hour. Aiden is just measuring to see how many more edging bricks need to be purchased. We're gonna grab a couple of new plants from the Home Depot, and I have a couple of conference calls. So this is our new normal, managing work schedules via virtual means, and then coming out and doing some neighborhood foodscapes. So stay tuned for our progress.
17. Yeah. All right.
Did y'all have fun?
Yes.
What did you plant?
Broccoli, cabbage, and shrubs.
That's right, we got a gardenia, a camellia, and 3 encore azaleas. So, what do you love?
We love gardening.
That's right.